index. So what you have to do, you have to go to indicator on trading view and search for RSI. RSI, relative strength index. When you type on it, this thing will pop up. So if you go to into settings and go into styles, tab and increase the length of RSI and change its color to whatever you want. I will change it to white because it's more visible on black. So if this is the highest value of current chart, like chart is moving right now between 70 and 30. These are the situations where if the price go up to, if this thing, this is the line RSI line chart, you can say. If this line passes the this red bar, which means the price is overbought, like so many people bought here, like more than this. It's the 70. If the price cover replace the 70, it means the price is overbought. And similarly, if this and line chart will go down and cross the 30 value, it's the 30. It's the 30. If the price covers the 30 value, then it means the price is oversold. So let's check this out. Let's so I'm going to so here it says that the price it's indicating that the price is bearish because it already crosses the red line and price will about to go down. Then here you can see here it says the price is bearish, then the price will move approximately down. Yeah, they're right. Then the line chart here says that price will go up, the price will start moving upward. Then here it will say that price will move down. Price moved down a bit low, then again volume came up and price increases towards buying side. Then again it says that price will move down and price move down. Similarly, so this is simple and easy. Practice it on